Hello everybody, this is Vincent from Affiliate Theme.io, and this video is about how to add new pages to WordPress. So let's just start by adding some standard pages to our WordPress site. So we're going to Pages and Add New. So first of all, you can give the page a title, and in this field you can enter the entire content of the page. So let's just start with the home page and give it some lorem ipsum right here, paste it here, and now the next step is either to save it as a draft or to publish this page. So if you save it as a draft, it is only visible to you but not to the public. So if somebody enters your website, nobody's going to see this page. So let's just start by clicking Save Draft. So now it's inside our system. We can see it here in the back end, but not in the front end. So also if you click here Preview, you can actually see that it already appears as a page on our website, but just to us and not to anybody else. So let's assume we want it now to be public, so we click Publish. Now this site can be entered by anybody. Another point here is that you can have certain page attributes. So right now there's not a lot here because we didn't activate a theme that has a lot of options, but sometimes here it says template, and then you can choose a template designed by the developer of your theme, and you already have a nice design for your page. But we're not going to do this now. Let's keep it simple. Another option here is the point permalink. So this is the URL of the page you defined. So I would just keep it like that to have a good link structure, because we did this before in settings, defining how the link structure on our page works. First of all, it's important to have a good link structure for the customer, so he always sees where he is. And second of all, for search engines such as Google, it's important to have a good link structure. So we're going to keep it just like that. So another important thing about pages is that you use them for long-term or also static content. So for example, here we have the home page. So the first site, or also called landing page, the customer or user sees when he enters your website. So you do it for this kind of content, long-term and static. So another example of that would be a page like blog. And again, let's insert some dummy content and click Publish. Also, we want a contact page. So let's name it Contact. And again, add some lorem ipsum here. Click Publish. And the last one, let's call it Copyright page. And again, some lorem ipsum. So now we already have some pages defined, and if we click here All Pages, we can see that they all appear here, and they are all published. So if they are not published, there is a little symbol that says it's just a draft, but in that case those are all now public. So now we defined a blog and we defined a home page. So now we want that the customer who comes to our page directly sees the home page as the first thing. So under settings, we can choose reading. So here it's about the first option, which says front page displays. So the front page should display a static page in that case, and we're going to choose here the home page. So now what happens is that the first page the customer sees will be the home page we defined here under Pages. And for post page, because this will be the blog, we will choose the blog page we defined. Let's click Save Changes. And now to check if it works, we just go to the front page of our website. So we click here on Visit Site, and we see that on the first page, the home page appears.